So this section is 7.6. In 7.6, we're solving exponential and logarithmic equations. To start off, I'm going to give you the vocab words for the types of equations that we'll be solving. The first one is exponential equations. Those are equations in which variable expressions occur as exponents. The second one is logarithmic equations, and those are equations that involve logarithms of variable expressions. The third one is extraneous solution. An extraneous solution is an apparent solution that must be rejected because it does not satisfy the original equation. So I'm just going to start off with a pretty basic example. To start off, if 3x equals 3 raised to the 5th, then x obviously equals 5. So here I am, and I'm going to do an example of exponential equations. The first example is 9 to the 2x equaling 27 to the x minus 1. Now what you want to do for these equations is find the least common multiple between the 9 and the 27 because those are your base numbers. So in the second step, as you can see below, we chose a 3 because a 3 is the smallest number that both goes into 9 and 27. So 3 raised to the second power equals 9, so you're going to write that and then drop down the 2x. And on the other side, 3 to the third power is 27, and then you're going to drop down the x minus 1. So the next step is now that you have the base 3 on both sides, you can go ahead and cancel those out. So after you cancel out both of the 3's, all you do is distribute the inside exponents to the outside exponents. So here on the left we have 4x because 2 times 2 is 4, and then we just drop down the x. And on the right, you're going to distribute the 3 to the x and then the 3 to the negative 1, which gives you 3x minus 3. So all you're going to do now is PEMDAS, and you're going to subtract the 3x from both sides, leaving you with x equals negative 3. And that's the answer. So now this is the second example of exponential equations. For this, crap, I just slurped again. Okay, it's okay, just keep it, okay. Oh, damn. So for this equation, you can see the 7 and the 18 do not have a least common multiple. To get rid of one of those in order to solve, you're going to choose the one that has an exponent attached to it. In this equation, the 7 has the exponent attached to it. So the easiest way to explain this is whatever the base is with the exponent, you're going to choose the log of that number. For this example, the base with the exponent is 7. So all you're going to do is multiply that side by log of 7. And whatever you do with that side, you're going to have to do the same thing to the opposite side. Away from each other, you're going to have to take the log of 18 and divide that by the log of 7. That is just the order. I just slurped again. Okay.
Thanks for watching Adam, Devin, Megan, Angela, Nikki and Andrew.